Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I have to show you this amazingly cool bubblegum machine. So this is the Double Bubble Pinball Gumball machine. This thing is so cute and fun for anyone. Super easy to put together. It literally just comes with the two pieces. It does come with batteries in it already. It's not too hard. You just need 3 AA batteries if you do have to replace it. And then you have a reset button at the top if you want to start your score over if you're playing with different people. You do have to take a little piece to release the ball in the bottom when you do first get it. There's literally stickers and instructions all over this thing, all over the box, super easy to figure out. And then you do have this one button that you're gonna push. It pushes the ball so that you're able to play pinball, build up your score, and it will give you a gumball whenever you reach whatever target it wants you to. You do have all the pins inside. It lights up. It's so fun. And then your reward, of course, is a gumball. This is super, super fun. Like I said, for any age, we all absolutely love this gumball machine because it's a toy and you get candy, which is awesome. But that's just my point of view.